Good morning, guys. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, Felicity. Good morning, Hallie. Good morning, honey. Have a good day, buddy. Good morning, Molly. Have a good day. Good morning. These ones look like they're having a morning meeting. You getting ready to join, Luna? Good morning, Reese. Good morning, Hershey. Hey, Felicia. Good morning, guys. Let's get your coop clean. We got it clean for him. Have a good day, guys. Good morning, Nugget. Have a good day, buddy. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning. Let's go get your coop clean, okay? Hey, Sammy. Hey, Chocolate. I went ahead and got him some fresh water to start. And I'm filling up the baby pool. Now we'll get their coop clean. We got it clean. All right, sister, you know what time it is. Let's hop out and go get a drink. Eat some food. Come on out. All righty. Let's go. Oh, lean towards me. Here we go. There you go. Eat some breakfast. The ducks are enjoying the pool. I came over to get the hose out and it's already disgusting again. Thanks, guys. Are you ready to go in, my little farm dog? This little girl isn't really used to the farm dog life, but she's been doing great. I don't think she minds when it's time to go inside, though. Laban and I just got done mowing, so I came out to the barn to make sure the bunnies still have plenty of water and that the stalls are all ready for bedtime. So we're giving Hallie some treats. Giving Felicity some treats. Want some treats, Molly? For honey. While we were mowing, the girls swept up all the wet hay, so I'm gonna go get them a new bale of hay, even though they had been laying in the pasture not caring at all until they heard me messing around in the barn. Need some hay, Atlee? I got them their hay. Atlee could hardly wait for me to get it untied. Get your belly full now. Not that they need any more bellies full, but maybe it won't make them so sad that their treat bowls at bedtime won't be as full as they usually are. I have to run to town again in 2 days, so I'm hoping that Tractor Supply will have those cattle cubes then. We have barely just enough that I think we'll be able to make it last. Hey, Moose. Coming to check on you guys. Hey, Nugget. Did any of your girls lay any eggs yet? Hey, Buzzerbeak. Hey, Felicia. few people laid eggs for sure. Thanks, guys. How's it going, Dwayne? Booty healing up. A bunch of these girls are dust bathing, which is good. Nice to see that the ground's drying out enough that they can do that. It's been pretty wet the last few days. Any eggs yet, girls? All right, ladies. I came to collect some eggs. Go ahead and hop down, mean girl. All right, Nun. Let's get out. Go get a drink. Go get a drink or eat something. All right, let's get you out now. Go get something to eat or something to drink. Go on. All right, what are you doing in here? Any eggs under ya? Nope. Are there any eggs under you? And under her. And this one just climbed in, so she must be getting ready to lay an egg too. Are you annoyed that I'm in here? Thanks, guys. It's getting pretty close to bedtime, so I brought Dwayne in. We did put some medicine on his bottom, so hopefully that'll keep the girls away. I also refilled their food, so they should be good to go until bedtime. It's about to rain, so we're gonna get these girls in their stalls. All right, babies, there you go. It's a little dark in here right now because we're using the cord that goes to it for something else, but we'll get that plugged back in and then finish bedtime. And down rain, we're gonna get the bantams closed. Wayne's getting the big chickens closed. Thanks. I am soaking wet, so I was just coming to check on these girls. Unfortunately, I forgot to put the locks on, but fortunately, the girls didn't break out, so we're gonna get those on. Good night, Atlee. Good night, Bridget. She doesn't want a pet. Got Dove's on. Good night, Dove. And got the babies on. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Ember. Quick bedtime treat. Here you go, Hallie. Have a good night, sister. Here's your bedtime treat, Felicity. Have a good night. Here you go, Molly. Have a good night. Here you go, honey. Have a good night, buddy. We had a great day today, even though the rain made bedtime come a little bit faster. But everyone is tucked in safe and given their treats. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.